Thank you so much, John. We got enough time to take another caller right now, but that opens up a line for you today, 844-580-9326, to talk to Larry Perry, the Magic Mechanic. Let's go ahead and talk to Ron. Ron's calling from Winter Haven. Ron's got a question. He's got, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and let him ask Ron, or let him ask Larry, because I think he's over my head. Go ahead, Ron.
Hey, Larry, how you doing?
Good.
I have more of a curiosity question. I have a car from factory tuned for 93 Octane. Now, I'm thinking, what is better, 90 non-ethanol or 93 ethanol?
Well, it would depend on the application, I guess. What kind of vehicle is it, Ron?
It's a 2016 Mazda Miata. It's stock.
Okay. Well, now you know the thing is, for racing and horsepower and performance, you can get more horsepower and performance out of ethanol than you can gasoline, and there's a whole bunch. Go ahead.
Yeah. I noticed that I get 42 miles to the gallon with non-ethanol. I get about 39 with ethanol.
Okay. In a regular application, yes, that's expected. That is absolutely expected. You should get less fuel economy with the factory tune, and computer system. And you will get better fuel economy without any ethanol, which to me, I don't know why we ever got into this ethanol thing to start with. It makes absolutely no sense. It costs a fortune to make it. There's no benefit to it. You get worse fuel economy, and it just goes on and on and on. I don't know, that's our government at work again, but if for racing purposes, you can use ethanol for racing purposes, but the thing is, you got to change the computer program in a vehicle in order to be able to do that. And what it does is you can change it to where the injectors open up a lot more, because you got to have more ethanol to do the same thing that you would with gasoline, just straight gasoline. But the beauty of the alcohol or ethanol is if you've got a car tuned for it for racing purposes, you can get a cooler cylinder, and it allows you to get more total timing. And just by switching a vehicle for performance-wise, now I'm not telling anybody to do this, you can probably get on a race engine, you probably get another 100 horsepower out of an engine or more by using ethanol as opposed to gasoline for race purposes. But you're going to use about twice as much alcohol or ethanol to do that. So cost-effectively, it would only benefit you if you were racing the vehicle, and you would have to have a special tune just for that. All right. I hope that helps you a little bit. An interesting question. And we thank
you so much, Ron. We're going to take a quick